Hey, what's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Well, looks like we've had a correction, a dip, a great buying opportunity right as we speak. Probably the best one when everything crashed. Now, I guarantee everyone's panicking and freaking out on the price, but of honesty, like as much as I've been in the markets, that's when you want to buy. When your stomach hurts and you're like, oh, my portfolio's going to crap, you have some money on the side, you hit that buy button and boom, things will bounce back. Um, these prices are not going to be on a discount forever. And the reason why that the market has dropped so much because there's too many people over leveraged trading. That means that they'll take a couple $1,000s or more and they'll over leverage it like 20x, 30x, something crazy. And they'll pretty much put on there, like Bitcoin, for instance, they'll pretty much over leverage it, buying long or shorting it, like where the direction they think it's going to go. So when you do that, and then people just keep, thinking, oh, let's go long, 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 and what happens is, um, it get the markets too over leveraged, and then there's gonna be liquidations, where things get too overheated, and then boom, a crazy wick down, everyone's get liquidated, and then that's it. So this was a washout. This is all coordinated. Um, as you can see, if you've seen a lot of news lately, FUD, 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 fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's what FUD is. So what's happening is that the bigger entities, like I was saying, the bigger investors, they want your cheap Bitcoin, they want your cheap coins, so they're, drove the price down. I mean, this happens in this market. Um, Best strategy is if you're down a lot, just dollar cost average and just keep buying the coins and stuff like that. The market's not going to stay like this forever. It'll go back up. Um, it might be a little bit, or, hey, we might have a recovery. But I've noticed in the charts that I'm looking at, because sometimes you have to have patience and then, and see how things play out. So far, it looks like there's a U-shaped recovery, not a V, not a V shape, but a U-shaped recovery in the market. That means the smart people are the ones that are buying at a cheaper price. Everyone was crying that they wanted to buy cheaper coins, a cheaper Bitcoin. Well, this is your opportunity, Now, for the short term, everything's not going to go skyrocketing crazy prices. Like that was a little bit of the mania that was going on. That doesn't happen a lot. So I would say there's going to be kind of a slow, like, trickle up, or we might have some big candles, green ones or something. Because there's a lot of people out there that know that, Bitcoin is a very valuable asset. And all the FUD you're seeing, it's old FUD that just wants to drive the price down and scare everybody out of their positions. Honestly, like, not financial advice, but I believe in it's just best to dollar cost average in and then just hold it. Um, I mean, the crazy price swings we've seen go down. We can see the same thing happen straight up. So you know what? Just I wouldn't worry. I mean, honestly, we're still calling for, you know, 250K end of year, around there. Um, we're still in a bull market. There's nothing or fundamental has changed. So I wouldn't really worry, honestly. Um, Look, you get the everything on a discount. You bring your cost average down, because that's what happens when you bought at a higher price. You're like, oh my god, oh my god. Well, if you have a little bit of money on the sidelines, you keep buying and it'll bring it back down. And then when things start going right back up, you're gonna be way over, in profit. These markets and stuff like that, it's all psychological. It's the emotional driven, and I believe in you go against the trend. People are selling, then you should be the one buying. Honestly, I've used this strategy many times and it's worked tremendously, you know. So right now it looks like we're just in kind of a like accumulation phase. Some people are picking up these coins, and the more the people start buying up these coins and the prices start going up, it's going to give people in the market more confidence. If there's like a steady price point, things kind of start trickling back up. But I still believe, my price targets, and I want to hold on to that. So, well, we have a big week ahead of us. I might put a video out tomorrow. But of all honesty, I would just relax. If you have a little bit of money on the sidelines, keep buying the good coins out there. There's a lot of people on YouTube, talk about what ones to get. Bitcoin is king. Ethereum's great prices. Litecoin's at, a discount. Polkadot, Chainlink. Those are now Polkadot. Wow, like that one is on sale. Like that's a good project. Chainlink, it seems to it hold its own. Let's see. There's a few other ones on there. Theta is good. It's a good project. But yeah, I mean, honestly, and then your safe bet, honestly, it's Bitcoin. Honestly, you don't need much of it. I mean, if you can't afford one, you can always buy partials of any of these coins. So I wouldn't really worry too much. But I just want to put this video out there to anybody that's seeking any info or anything like that. But just hope you understand that honestly the thing in this market is honestly best to just buy these massive dips and just keep accumulating, and then prices will eventually start moving again. It can be next week, it can be the week after. It just all depends. I mean, honestly, I see that a lot of people are buying, and they're buying at these cheaper prices. So I believe that there's going to be a decent move possibly soon. So that's it for today, guys. A little bit longer video than normal, but I hope this helps you guys out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.